Imagine a world where aerial photography and videography were once the realm of professionals and enthusiasts with deep pockets. Now, thanks to one company, capturing breathtaking aerial footage is as easy as pointing and shooting. Welcome to the story of DJI, the undisputed king of the consumer drone market. Meet Frank Wang, the visionary behind DJI. A young engineering student with a passion for remote control helicopters, Wang's dream of building the world's best drones has transformed the industry and inspired millions. From the iconic Phantom series to the pocket-sized Mavic, DJI's drones have democratized aerial technology, empowering filmmakers, photographers, and hobbyists alike. The genesis of a drone giant.
The white X-shaped flying camera named DJI Phantom is probably the most recognizable civil unmanned aerial vehicle, or UAV, in the world. It has crashed on the lawn of the White House and also provided great help during the rescue of Nepal earthquake.
In the early 2000s, the consumer drone market was nascent. Wang, recognizing the potential of this emerging technology, started tinkering in his dorm room, driven by a relentless pursuit of innovation. Facing numerous challenges and setbacks, Wang and his team persevered, constantly pushing the boundaries of drone technology. Their early successes laid the foundation for what would become a global drone empire. Innovation and dominance. DJI's commitment to innovation has been its hallmark. From advanced flight stabilization systems to sophisticated obstacle avoidance technologies, DJI consistently introduced groundbreaking features that set their drones apart. The company's focus on user experience and ease of use further fueled their growth. DJI's intuitive software and user-friendly interfaces made flying drones accessible to a wider audience. DJI's dominance quickly extended beyond hobbyists. Their drones found applications in various industries, from filmmaking and photography to agriculture, construction, and search and rescue. Challenges and the road ahead. However, DJI has faced its share of challenges. Geopolitical tensions and increasing regulatory scrutiny have presented significant hurdles for the company. Despite these challenges, DJI continues to innovate, exploring new frontiers in drone technology, such as artificial intelligence, robotics, and autonomous flight. DJI's vision extends beyond consumer drones. The company aims to integrate drones into various aspects of our lives, from autonomous delivery to smart cities, shaping the future of aerial technology. From a humble beginning in a dorm room to becoming a global leader, DJI's story is a testament to the power of innovation, perseverance, and a relentless pursuit of excellence.